Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into Pinterest with your username and password. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into Pinterest with your username and password, make sure you've downloaded the application on your device and are signed up to your Pinterest account. Once you have an account, tap the Open the Pinterest application and you'll end up on this page, which is the very first interface of Pinterest. In order to log into Pinterest, you can go ahead and enter your email address. You can continue logging in with your Facebook or your Google account. Simply type in your email address that is associated with Pinterest and tap on the Continue button on the next page. You'll be able to see the password text field appearing. Go ahead and type in your password for your account. You can double-check your password by tapping on this eye icon in the right corner so that you can reveal them before moving on. In case you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgotten Password link. Follow the instructions to reset to your new password. Once you're done, tap on Login and you'll be logged into your Pinterest account. That is how you can easily log into Pinterest with the help of your username and password option. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.